Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this edition of Weathercast 8. I'm meteorologist Ann Roberts. Thankfully, most of the really cold air is well off towards our north. You'll see the wind chill values burr for portions of Minnesota. We're talking negative numbers, and of course into Missouri into the 20s. But here in Arkansas, we're seeing mid-40s, so grab a jacket with you as you're heading out. If you're looking for somewhere warmer, well, you may want to head off towards Mississippi, Alabama, or Georgia. On radar, not much going on yet. However, that will be changing. First, I want to bring your attention to that white swath across the map from Oklahoma to Missouri. That is still the ice and snow that they have been dealing with for several days. Now, that is not coming anywhere near us. That is not going to affect our forecast. However, you'll notice the green off towards the west. That is our next weather maker, and that will be here very quickly. That is actually going to be moving into Arkansas tomorrow, and it's going to be bringing us some pretty rocky weather. We may be looking at some thunderstorms across the state tomorrow, and maybe even one or two of those could reach severe criteria. I'll have more on that in just a moment. First of all, expected lows for tonight. Now, it's not going to drop off much from this number due to the cloud cover and the fog that we are currently seeing. We're seeing 45 here in Little Rock. Of course, it'll be 39 for the overnight low in Bald Knob, 38 in Batesville, but otherwise a fairly mild night. Scattered showers will occur after midnight. It'll be very late. And of course, fog is going to be an issue as well, again, as we get closer to tomorrow, which is going to be a super soaker. So if you're going to be participating in a Martin Luther King Day walk or run or parade, bring your rain gear with you because it is going to be a wet one. Once again, one or two of those storms could reach severe criteria. Now, we're not talking about any tornadoes or that kind of strong weather. We're just talking about a scattered thunderstorm here or there that may reach that criteria of the strong winds or hail. I'll certainly be watching that for you. Now, in your extended forecast, we'll see the sunlight return by Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures begin to tip back up on the scale going into Friday, Saturday, and that's great. However, rain chances are on the way back in once again for your weekend with a 50% shot of rain on Saturday and also on Sunday, so keep that in mind. Now, if you're planning on traveling somewhere to escape that rainfall, well, it's cold in winter Wisconsin. However, it's warm in frost-proof Florida. Seems like a fitting name. However, snow Oklahoma, definitely fitting its name. It's 53 tomorrow, so that'll help defrost that area. And Sun City, Arizona, not so much in the way of sun. All right, everyone, if you have any questions, you know where to find me. Have a great evening.